Yes, everyone, as you can see, yeah. 15 different ways you can have eggs. So 15 people, so I went and got some pine needles. So this is to make some tea. Big up Bushcraft, Dunstan James. He introduced me to this one and he said, Ringo, if you're out in the forest, get some pine needles. So I've just picked the pine needles, yeah. So let me show you. These are the pine needles, yeah, with the pine on them. So let me pick a pine as well. So basically, what we're gonna use the needles for is to make some tea. And this is the pine here. Yes, people, we're outside, man. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people. It's always a vibes to be outside, you know. Yeah, man, nature. Yeah, it's the best thing ever. Yes, people. If you're enjoying what's going on so far, people, and you're enjoying the whole journey with Ringo Vision, just put a like in the comment, people, yeah? And if you're enjoying what you see and you're enjoying the whole environment of outside, everyone, yeah? If you're really enjoying it, just put in the comment what you'd like to see me cook next. Guess what's going on today, people? Something very different. Outside. Yes, welcome to the 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people, yeah? We're outside. Respect. One of the best proteins when you're outside, one of the best proteins is a boiled egg. It carries a lot of protein. So we're gonna put some boiled egg on our fire, cause you know what's it. Yeah, man, the vibes. So we got it's an egg vibes. Look, let me show you what I'm gonna do with the egg. Look at this. All right. Alright, so this egg here is going inside as well, yeah? Mm-hmm. Alright, look what I want. You can go and rest there, yeah? I've got my empty tray of egg, and I've got the lid for my empty tray of egg. So I'm gonna place my empty tray of egg into the lid, and we're gonna use this for later on. Good vibes. Yes, people, you know what time it is. Boiled eggs in the forest. Who laid these eggs there on the fire? Who laid these eggs there on the fire? Who laid these eggs there on the fire? So we put our eggs to cool for a little while, people. Yeah, man, so we're just gonna wait for our eggs to cool down. All right. Good, we've got a nice little fire there burning, everyone. With some stones and gravel in there at the same time, that keeping the heat. Good vibes. Yes, everyone, as you can see, yeah, 15 different ways you can have eggs. So 15 different, I boiled these eggs, people, yeah, all in one little pan, and you can see that they all come out 15 different ways. So yeah, man, you got a hard boiled egg, you got soft boiled egg, you got super hard boiled egg here. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe, people. So I'm just showing you, say, this is an easy meal. You can go outside and you be outside in nature, people, yeah, and you want something to eat. Always you can pack eggs with you in your bag, yeah, and I'm showing you that it's so simple and easy, yeah, people, yeah. Boil some eggs and that's a meal for the whole day. You know that how many proteins one of these eggs bring you? Yeah, man, it's a good vibes, everybody, yeah. Yeah, man, the eggs give you a lot of protein, everyone, outside. Yeah, people, as you can see, say we're outside, and thank you very much for this episode. And if you enjoyed this episode, people, yeah, just put it in the comment section, people, and let me know what you thought of it, everyone, yeah. Yes. And yeah, man, there, just I couldn't see my egg. And what you think about it?
Yeah, man, that's proper thing, yeah.
Just put bare eggs in the pan. That's it. You go out.
Full protein.
It's a full protein and it's a full dinner, innit? Full you up as well, innit?
Yeah, man.
You see that, people? Yeah, man. 15 eggs. You see, if we had bread and all them kind of things there, yeah, man, we'd have been dipping the egg, the bread in the yolk and all them kind of things there, people. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. We outside. Thank you very much, people, yeah, for staying tuned with this episode.